on the Amazon River. Speed does not determine survival. Strength does not sustain communities. It is the density of connection.
The Amazon learned this long ago.
A species survives by breathing together. They are called wolves of the river. Welcome to the Verdant current.
Modern organizations rarely lack resources.
But there is often a lack of lasting social connection.
Departments are separate. Responsibilities are divided. People are defensive instead of protective.
Otters operate resilient social systems.
Strength is not individual.
It lies in distributed trust density.
Trust flows through the system. This is collaboration in its purest form.
No slogans, no abstractions.
Only beings choosing to survive together.
Breathing together to endure.
When hunting, otters do not compete.
Roles emerge from collective intuition.
One drives prey, another blocks.
One executes precisely. This isn't typical teamwork. This is adaptive role distribution.
Functions shift with context.
No rigidity, no power struggle.
Energy converges on shared goals.
Success belongs to the system.
Individuals don't win, systems do. Thus, the structure holds.
Half of otter life is defense.
Not just offspring.
They work together to protect the shared environment. This is living ESG Social.
Psychological safety is not a perk.
It is resilience infrastructure.
is not kindness.
It is survival. Co-responsibility stabilizes systems.
Each member guards the system.
Shared space is collectively protected.
Organizations become living communities.
This is not just a labor unit,
But social ecosystems. Sustainability is about building relationships that don't easily break.
It isn't about saving short-term costs.
An ecosystem thrives on feedback loops.
The feedback loop keeps the system alert.
Restoring the system is not a personal matter. It's about the system's overall responsiveness.
Companies often think of ESG as a cost.
Otters prove otherwise. Social is early warning. Everyone can signal risk. No surprise collapse.
After crisis, otters regroup. They rebalance together.
Emotions stabilize quickly. Roles recalibrate.
This is a real system recovery. There are three principles for creating a self-regulating system.
Shared alert protocol. Creating an environment that encourages debate. Co-responsibility.
When one individual is injured, the entire system reacts. Internal reinvestment.
Reinvesting in social energy. Taking breaks together helps maintain the team's strength.
Trust will be restored naturally.
No central control is required.
just follow the flow.
A system that can learn from shock.
That is adaptive capacity.
And that is a truly sustainable community. If this changes the way you view the community,
The next step doesn't require
trying to do more.
It's about slowly redesigning the systems.
A place where everyone can breathe together. Just follow the flow.
When the current changes direction,
Does your system still remember how to breathe?
Think like an ecologist.